Hi, this is Dave. Last summer I went to Santa Barbara, California, where my brother Mark showed me how he makes his salsa, and I have taken up his tradition and have created my own version. I want to show you what I'm using as ingredients, and I'm going to show you the final result. Here are three 28-ounce cans of tomatoes, two petite diced tomatoes, one can of crushed tomatoes. These were 67 cents each. A lime that is 16 cents, this white onion 61 cents, this cilantro 48 cents, and then also we're going to use about a tablespoon of salt, about a half teaspoon of this Mexican hot sauce, and then about 2 tablespoons of diced jalapenos. We're going to put this all in the bowl, and it's going to be delicious, quite mild. And now I'm going to go do that and you'll see the result. Okay, here it is, all mixed up. You can kind of see the consistency, the onion pieces, you can see the cilantro. I find the shelf life of this in the refrigerator is about a week because of the cilantro can wilt, but I'm going to try some of this right now. Really good. My brother Mark uses vinegar instead of lime juice, but the lime juice I think makes a huge difference. Again, about $3.28 out of pocket yesterday, and adding the partial ingredients from the salt, the hot sauce, and the diced jalapenos, probably the net on this is less than $4. A huge amount. I'm going to put it in containers and enjoy it myself, family, and friends for the remainder of the week. I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks for viewing.